Morning, students. Today we will solve one problem from the chapter Redemption of Preference Shares. This problem is from Mangalore University 5th semester BCom question paper 2015, 12 marks question. The question is like this. The following is the balance sheet of Gaware Limited as on 31st March 2014. Share capital 8 lakh, redeemable preference shares 3 lakh, redeemable preference shares of 10 each 7 rupees paid up 1,40,000. Here 7 rupees is paid up, 3 rupees is unpaid. That 3 rupees should be called from them, amount should be received from the preference shareholders before the redemption. Next, profit and loss account 3,50,000, creditors 60,000, cash at bank 4 lakh, other assets 12,50,000. On the above date, the preference shares are redeemed to the extent possible at a premium of 10%. For this purpose, the company issued 20,000 fresh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. Pass journal entries and redraft the balance sheet. This is the problem. So now we will solve the problem. First of all, let us make some calculations. We have in the balance sheet two preference share capitals. 6% preference share capital, 30,000 into 10, 3 lakh. 7% preference share capital, 20,000 into 10. Here it is 7 rupees paid up, but 3 rupees we are calling from them. So then it will become again 10 rupees. So 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh. Totally 5 lakh rupees preference shares should be redeemed. And this redemption should be made at a premium of 10% as given in the problem. See here, it is mentioned here 10% premium. So 5 lakh into this 5 lakh into 10%, 50,000 rupees premium. So total redemption is 5,50,000. Now let us see how this 5 lakh and 50,000 will be redeemed. What is the source for redemption? First of all, for 5 lakh capital, preference share capital. See here, as given in the problem, company issued 20,000 equity shares of 10 each at a premium of 10%, means 20,000 into rupees 10. This is 20,000 redeemed out of fresh issue of equity shares, 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh rupees. Okay. Then remaining out of 5 lakh, 2 lakh we get from the equity shares, fresh issue of equity shares. Remaining 3 lakh, 5 lakh minus 2 lakh, remaining 3 lakh we can get it from this profit and loss account. We have 3,50,000, isn't it? Out of that we can make use of 3 lakh. So 5 lakh is the source for redemption of 5 lakh rupees is like this. Now for 50,000, what is the source? So 50,000 we should make redemption at a premium of 50,000, isn't it? Redemption premium is 50,000. What is the source? Here you see, according to the problem, security premium, there is no security premium here, but here company issued 20,000 fresh issue of shares of 10 rupees at a premium of 20%, means 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh into 10%, 20,000. Okay, so that 20,000 this is 2 lakh. Okay, not 20,000. 10 is missing here. So that is rupees 2 lakh into 10%. Okay, 2 lakh into 10%. So 2 lakh rupees into 10%. So that is 20,000. Clear, isn't it? 2 lakh into 10%. That is 20,000. And afterwards, redemption out of the preference profit and loss account. See here we have in the problem 3,50,000 profit and loss account, and out of the 3,50,000 we have made use of 50,000 for redemption. So redemption of the share capital, 50,000 we have remaining balance. Out of 50,000 we can make use of 30,000. So this 50,000 rupees we need. For this 50,000 we got 20,000 from premium, and remaining 30,000 we can get from the profit and loss account balance. Hope you have understood. Next thing is journal entries. How to pass the journal entries? Let us see the journal entries one by one. Okay. The first journal entry here, date is written here. First one, like this. 7% preference share final call account debtor to 7% preference share capital account. That is 20,000 into 3. That is like this. See here. This 20,000, 10 rupees face value, 7 paid up, remaining 3 rupees. So 20,000 into 3, that comes here as 20,000 rupees, 60,000. Debit 60,000, credit 60,000. Clear, isn't it? Next, second journal entry is relating to the same thing, receiving that 60,000 rupees. We receive that 60,000 rupees. Okay, see here, this, not that one, this journal entry, second journal entry. Okay, see the second journal entry. Second journal entry, bank account debtor to equity share, preference share final call account. Okay, 60,000. Third journal entry is for fresh issue of equity shares. So we have already explained here, fresh issue of equity shares, bank account debtor to equity share capital account debtor to, to security premium account, to 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh, 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh into 20,000 into 10, and 2 lakh into 10%. Okay, this is 2 lakh into 10%. Rupees 2 lakh into 10%. Okay, you have understood. 10%. That comes 20,000. Clear, isn't it? Next journal entry, security premium 20,000. Then profit and loss account 30,000. Redemption premium is rupees 50,000. Hope you have understood. So like this, see this calculation. This calculation for premium 20,000 and 30,000, total 50,000. Okay, so 20,000 out of security premium, 30,000 out of profit and loss account, total 50,000. Clear, isn't it? Next one is profit and loss account debtor to capital redemption reserve account. We have to make 5 lakh rupees redemption. For that 2 lakh rupees we got from fresh issue, this 2 lakh. Then remaining 3 lakh we get it from the profit and loss account. For this we pass up this journal entry 3 lakh rupees. Next we make the final payment. Final payment is made as given in the problem. We can see here the 6% preference share capital 3 lakh, 7% preference share capital 2 lakh. We can get it from the calculation itself here. We have made a calculation here, isn't it? 2 lakh and 3 lakh. See, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. That amount we are writing here. See, 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees. Okay, both of them. Then redemption premium we have calculated here. This redemption premium or this redemption premium, both are the same, 50,000. So 3 lakh, 2 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 50,000, 5 lakh 50,000. Now you make the final payment, preference share holders account debtor to bank account. Okay, 5 lakh 50,000. These are the journal entries we have to pass here. Next, finally we prepare the balance sheet, final balance sheet after redemption, like this. See, you can check the old balance sheet. In the old balance sheet, we have other assets 12 lakh 50,000, isn't it? That 12 lakh 50,000 we write as it is here, but other things are changing. Then creditor 60,000 as it is. From the old problem as it is we write, and preference share capital will go. This 3 lakh and 1 lakh 40, it will not be repeated. Then profit and loss account we make the calculation 3 lakh 50,000 we have here. See, we made the calculation here. Equity share capital, first of all, 1 lakh equity shares, so rupees 10 each. How it is? In the problem, there is 80,000, isn't it? This is 80,000 shares of 10 each. Again, in the calculation fresh issue, see here, journal entry number 3. There is 20,000 fresh issue, total 80,000 plus 20,000, 1 lakh. 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each, 1 lakh rupees. Next, profit and loss account, see the problem. In the problem, we have 3,50,000, and out of 3,50,000, we used 30,000 for redemption premium, isn't it? And 3 lakh rupees for this, 3 lakh rupees for redemption of preference share capital. 3 lakh and 30,000 should be deducted from this. So 3,50,000 minus 30,000 minus 3,20,000. Then capital redemption reserve, this entry, journal entry number 5. This journal entry, capital redemption reserve, new reserve is created, 3 lakh rupees. Then creditors as it is. Then credit side, you see cash at bank. In the old balance sheet, we have rupees 4 lakh rupees as the balance. Then see the journal entry, wherever there is a debit of bank account plus credit of bank account minus. So 60,000 plus 2,20,000 plus then 5,50,000 minus. This is the calculation. 4 lakh plus 60,000 plus 2,20,000 minus 5,50,000, 1,30,000. So balance sheet will tally now here. Hope you have understood clearly. Thank you.